G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a charming home, 8 Edward Street in the popular bayside suburb of Urangan. We are easy walking distance down to the Marina and Boat Club, and there's a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations in the popular bayside suburb of Urangan. This charming home is positioned on a large 1,012 square metre allotment. That's just over a quarter of an acre in the old scale. Easy walking distance to the Marina, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Esplanade Beach and iconic Urangan pier, where you've got a selection of cafés and restaurants to choose from. You've also got the convenience that comes with being only minutes away from the Urangan Central Shopping Centre. You've also got fast food outlets like Golden Chicken, McDonald's, KFC and an Aldi's. This is only the second time this charming home has been offered for sale in more than 50 years to our knowledge, but it has been well maintained and refurbished over time, with recent improvements including re-stumping, a new kitchen, a new vanity in the bathroom, and you've got new floor coverings. Upon entering the home via the sunroom to the front, you will note the high ceilings and fusion of classic lines, which leads past the lounge room, which is also located at the front of this home, through to that open plan dining area that connects with the kitchen. The kitchen has been refurbished and includes ample bench and storage place, as well as a large pantry. Appliances include an electric stove. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with high ceilings and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes high ceilings, a ceiling fan and a built-in wardrobe. The bathroom includes a shower recess, a vanity, and there is a separate toilet to the rear. The laundry is located to the rear of this home with direct outdoor access to the clothesline. There is also a covered sitting area off the laundry where you can sit and relax while overlooking that expansive backyard. Vehicle accommodation is catered for with a detached lock-up garage to the front of the home, and you've got side access to a second garage with workspace to the rear. Homes on this land size and location are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.